Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to T-Pow. Thank you for coming and braving the weather, and thank you particularly to all the people who've taken part in the parade. Thank you for coming to support T-Pow. This is a really exciting adventure for Wrexham. All the stalls and the shops in the market are let. Our art gallery has got a fantastic Planet Earth exhibition, and already people are saying that this is one of the most exciting developments for the town centre of Wrexham. Mae gennyf bleser mawr ystaf gan T-Pow ar agor.
Mae T-Pawb ar agor, T-Pawb is open.
This my mind doesn't know the difference between stress and love.